Ashley,
Daddy?
you reach?
Yeah, Marie.
So everything. You look tired though, like the bus drive tired out.
Tired and long.
So how everything otherwise?
Alright, I got this study for. Daddy, what kind of place is you carry me in?
Ashley, we're going to start from scratch. I know the place is small. It is not what you used to. You understand? But we're going to start from scratch. We're going to make it work. We're going to make it happen. So you have to just be here with it. You understand? Alright? I notice you have a little thing in your nose. Don't know what your young people... But what is that about?
I like it, so I do it.
I'm not going to get involved in no young people thing, but I hope I don't feel no way when they start moving at you.
So, Daddy, what the rest of the house? Where am I going to sleep?
Ah, boy. So, as I said, we'll start from scratch. So, I go take the settee and you sleep on the bed. For now. You understand? I know it's not what I used to, but just for now. Alright?
So, Daddy, not there for eat, I'm hungry.
No, sir. I never prepare anything, but I'm going to cook later. But for the time being, some money here. Get something out of the shop.
Where the shop there?
Right out of the front, man. I can't miss it. Right out of the front.
Sarah, how are you?
I go to go buy one chubby.
Alright. No go too far, no buy and come back. Because I have to go up out and drop up them pictures. As soon as I edit them, I go out to drop them out.
Aye.
So, you know the key go, because I get the key in last, it's a one key. So you have to, you know what I mean? Alright, do your down forward.
It's not better can send me a chubby. You got away do a piercing. And I'm a friend and do it. Oh, show me the one, no mind. Alright. I can get a nose piercing.
I know what you're saying, what you saying?
I can get a nose piercing.
When you catch 18, I do for your own, you do all the piercing you want. But not under my roof, right?
I want it now. I don't know if I live for 18.
That's something I try to focus on. And I'm doing about.
No, I do everything.
Where say you take up a book?
Everything I talk about, people take up book. I'm not take up no book. I ask about the nose ring.
Alright, you see this nose ring argument, I come back to me with it again. Because I don't tell you. So I say one time, if you think you're bad, go and go bore your nose then. You understand?
But when me don't know if I live for 18.
If you want to wear a nose ring, you try to keep yourself safe and live for 18 then. If I know you run down. You mean I say, oh, you come in with the nose ring out of blue, so what? As somebody else in a nose ring? Because I know the young people stay now. Anything you see on TV, I must TV you see on now. Anything you see on TV look like everything on TV. So if you want somebody down beds, you want bed stuff, you're too ready, I. You're just ready, I. Calm yourself, man.
Yo, I don't think they are prison. Because when you do what they are, you're not supposed to be a road, you know.
So you know I think I'm a G. You see me no evidence not there, you see me? Everything good. As what I try to show you, you see it, my father.
Well, anyway, you know, you're lucky for me see so far, you know. Right, you know, as you can see, I'm working back me out. I'm going to check my boss, you know. I'll mash up some electrician work, you know.
The boss you go check. In that I done there.
Tell you the truth, I want to know. But if I anything, may see you again.
I've been to ask you your name and where your name?
Ashley,
Where you live?
right over there, son.
Oh, come on, tell son. You just move here.
Yeah,
Who you live with?
my father.
Oh. You use GAM?
Yeah, girl.
Matter of fact, you use app.
Yeah, give me a number.
Text me, eh?
Yeah, man.
Navi, check if the light come back now. Oh God, boy, Laro, I tell you, since me up there, I just remember something a while ago.
What that know?
Your son-in-law.
Son-in-law.
Yeah, we born on the place, you see him you to hear about up so.
I know my son-in-law. I don't tell him about no son-in-law, man. I know my son-in-law that.
Me don't know how he get away after them the evidence there. And people like talk about it.
Man, me not even take down the leather, man. Me not business about that. Come on. I no son-in-law. Take down the leather and come on. Alright.
Hello? Yeah, girl, Tara. The girl where you give your number. You can come out to your yard?
Yeah, girl.
Alright, come over your boring girl. I meet you at the gate. Ah.
Daddy, I go back to Tara house, yeah? You know the girl I'm meeting at the community? Yeah, she. Alright. So, girl, I want to do for fun, don't you?
No, do nothing big. You just got beach or river or down a town or something. How you want to go to me?
Yeah, one of them there might go beach.
You make you know all can do. Cause I don't really chat to people down here, you know, cause the people them don't get mix up. Them know everybody business, everything about your business. All if you hide.
You know?
Yeah. You can't bring no man around here, you can't chat to nobody around here. What else? Nothing, you just can't do nothing. And them will see you. What do you ya? Yeah, what do you ya? One man, I'm live wrong and say him Pastor Johnson. Pastor Johnson. So him live around there with him wife and thing. Him have 3 picnic. 2 of them gonna foreign and one of them must live with them grandmother or something. So you know him and the wife alone live there. So now one time I think the wife must have gone somewhere, gonna deal with something. And one girl, she named Moisha, she live up there some. Well, going at the woman house, on the woman bed.
Brighty?
The woman comes to the 2 of them on the bed. Naked.
But them Brighty?
Gonna spread out a one bag of something. The woman just come in, come catch them and wet them up.
As she should.
And wackle them here and say, beat them. Big beating girl beat it.
Girl, I see everything at my junction. I see everything at my junction, girl. I can't believe
like
it.
people. It's the same now, girl.
Hold on.
Evening. Oh, I want to evening. Oh,
Even.
hear me now. I'm not a miserable father, you know. But my daughter knows certain things. Say cleanliness is a part of godliness. Watch out. You don't put a foot in the set here. You see, she put down for her foot, but maybe she afraid to tell you, don't say your foot for go. Set here, sit down in the night. Don't disrespect. You shall know better. Long up your mouth like your mama mouth. What is your name?
Ashley.
Ashley. Alright, so are your friend? Friend or influence friend. The other day, my good daughter, he never want a piercing yet in her nose. And I feel inside for your nose in the piercing if you want your nose pierced up. Big argument in the text and lick him down. No influence her. You understand? In a piercing. You know good for her. You do what you want to with for your face and for your body, alright? But no influence your friend. Hope say I just that alone you pierce. Go on in along up your mouth. Go on. Last days people don't know me.
What kind of work your father
Photography. Take picture and then look something. And you know, hear himself take down your foot and you someone put my face on my bottom.
do? Anyways, I pray for do something for my birthday. I pray a shoot. Want a photography, you see me?
So tell him, I not do photography.
So link him. Yeah, Ashley girl. I saw me live girl. You even move and even tell me say I move girl. I can't tell when me see Jeremy, you know. I can't tell when. So where you live now girl? Oh. Alright then, me have somewhere I go, so later you call me or something. Alright.
Full sir.
Oh, what you want?
Match number.
See it here.
How Ashley move gone? Where Ashley move gone?
The
The move gone.
Yeah.
You see everything everybody, what happened? Hear me I tell you.
Hello?
Yo, Ashley.
Who this?
You know what your man do? Alright.
Oh, you get my number.
No worry about that man. That government, you see me? Normal priest. How are you?
Enough for know me there.
Alright then. You know what I'm looking and think them one God know and I don't want to say right now not even and God know no joke no more. You see me? I don't want to say God know. You really not tell me where the mama?
No, you don't have to know where I am.
Normal pre man will find you. See me? A normal pre. It's a 40.
You can't find me, man.
Alright.
Girl, you can't make we go beach. Yeah, girl, I gotta get ready and come. Alright.
Ashley,
Yes, daddy.
is where you're going?
I go back to our house, then we go down at the town. Go look around the place. Get to know.
Okay. Well, like we're getting to know the place and the people them. But try to be careful enough.
Yes, daddy, I'll be careful down there.
I hope you're not meeting up with that boy, you know. Because you know I don't like him. Man, I don't plant peas of lime. Like a bleach out skin looking, croc lizard looking boy. Them not have nothing good. I hope you're not meeting up with him. Because you know I don't like him.
We haven't spoken since we left. As a matter of fact, I don't even think he knows where we are. Yeah, I'll be safe.
Ashley! 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 Ashley!
Where's your going, my general?
My daughter Ashley said she come down here, show me down here her friend Tara.
Yeah, man, I told them run back there. Girl, pick them up.
Alright, thanks.
The mine and a look, take it off.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Ashley,
Yeah?
the father out our front that car.
Alright. I left their glasses. I hear some money.
Thanks.
You can tell Tara's father said, I want to talk to him a bit.
Alright, yeah.
Money, though.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for real, man. I mean, them call Butchie, you know.
Yes, I mean Laura. No, I'm new in that place and my daughter said she have come over here, so you know as a father yourself a concern, so you know, I just want to make sure that she's safe. Yeah man. Yeah man.
Yeah, man, I see them all far from what they, you know. They told them go there, to walk up and down. They tell them part nothing go, or part to go, so them safe, you know what I mean? But you have a concern about them when they go because them young, they don't know the roads, you know what I mean? So as a whole G in the street, we know the roads still, you know what I mean? But now worry about that still. So you good though?
Yeah man, everything blessed.
Yeah, man, I know there some more I do, you know, because a picture me taking, I'm a photographer, you see?
Okay.
So
okay.
some me edit up for a drop off, you know what I mean? So we're there all the time, but more time. When I done, we have a drink, man.
Alright, yeah man. Thanks again, here.
Body though.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man, I know that's town now, man. So anyway, that one drink same friend. I'm going to do the thing. Come back before night though.
see nobody. Feel like somebody else follow me, girl.
You see nobody? Girl, you're too paranoid. Come. Your friends.
No, girl, one drink can't frost me.
See your clothes, man, speak. See, you look over, friends.
No, girl, one drink can't frost me. You good?
So you like them so far?
Girl, down here nice. Down here way better than where I come from.
Which part of that?
Down here junction.
Oh. So what make you come down here?
Girl, long story. But my boyfriend burned down my house and burned my stepmother in it. And them things say me because we never did get along. So my father just moved and so we are gonna start over and everything.
My God.
Miss Gray, what one?
I'm here, long time I not see you.
Yeah, so how your married life though?
Why? I have a story to tell you. It's not going well.
Well, I can't block up word I say, you know.
Alright, so let me just go part down, let's go with talk.
Yeah, so what you say going on, mommy?
I say, me and the boy, that boy I call him now, man no man. Me and the boy go to a hotel, I'm left go down at the bar. And the boy up there have sex with the maid in the room.
My honeymoon?
Parfait with honeymoon, some the name, no, Mrs. Gray, I'm Stephanie.
Some man, you know, make it bad for other man. Cause look for me, good rasta boy like me now. But I want a nice empress in I life. You know what I mean? I can't get the chance. And him get chance and him dash away. You know what I mean? So him gonna feel, him gonna know a mistake in due time. So what you do now? Because you must say how much wedding me come gonna take picture for you now.
This is gonna make the 5th wedding. Look on the back seat. I'm selling wedding dresses now.
You're serious though. But me I tell you, me not think say you have to give up yet, man. A nice young lady like you know what I mean? I think this time, cause out of the 5 of them, you're there with Ballad, you're there with Cooley, you're there with White, you're there with Brown. But you're never there with a Rasta yet. So I feel that this time, when I did a Rasta the right way, when I get married though, you know what I mean? Cause Rasta not too much in my marriage as yet. You know what I mean? When I go back to Africa, if we have to do something like that, you know what I mean? I'm going to get married over there. So you know, it's a different platform, you know what I mean?
I don't want to be in another relationship. I'm not broken, I'm shattered.
I wouldn't suggest us really label anything that we're going to do, but I think that we should go and just have fun. Let's not think about the commitments, you know what I mean? Let's have no label. Let's just be free spirit. You know, I'm a hardworking person and I'm always working. Maybe that's why I'm single, you know what I mean? But I decided that I have a little shy, a little young girl, and I think it would be good. Yeah. And I think it would be good for us to, you know, have a woman in the house, you know what I mean? Because me and her did it, some of the things that she learn through, she's not a female to look up to. You see, she follow wrong influence, you know what I mean? Some little things that little girl do, but I'm a loving father, I not lick her, you know what I mean? But I think if she have a female in the house, we could guide her and show her the ropes of life, you know what I mean? It'll be better, and you're such a outspoken, intelligent young lady. I don't know why somebody would have mash up a relationship where you and them have, but some people are looking for different stuff in life, you know what I mean?
So you're proposing a date with me then?
Yes, but I don't drive, so you'll be the one that's gonna pick me up and we go for the date. But I'll do the spending, you do the driving.
I hope you won't disappoint me, no, sir.
No, I'm natural. Just like you see me now, so you take me so you get me.
I'm tired of dating men that are just not of my caliber.
Yeah, but you never been with a Rasta before, right? You ever been with a Rasta
I've
before?
never been with a Rasta, but I'm going to try
Alright.
this last time. So I'll pick you up at 7.
And let me tell you something. The 4 guys, the 5 guys, them. And you are the problem, and them are the problem. They don't know how to treat a good woman. Hey, Bojo. Ready?
Where you going with?
No, sir, I road me come off. I'm thinking good.
I'm there and where you drink? What's that shop?
I'll give me a red stripe then. No.
Shop paper, 2 red stripe, yeah?
No hot one here, I don't want nothing too cold. Yeah, give me one lighter there too. Pour it down.
Open, sesame with that. So where you going with?
You know, say, this is I'm really shooting in the morning and just come out of the town set speed, is it? Yeah, man, so where the idea forward from?
You know, say Upper Junction, St. Elizabeth there.
Oh, for real,
Yeah,
like.
man.
So look at that now. I seen come check me one day, you know. Say you want board nose. So me I say, oh you want board nose? So Anna you just come up to this nose argument. So a couple days later now, I see she start party with her daughter now. And I see her daughter with the cow nose ring.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So
I give you a funny joke, as me I tell you though. I trust my daughter a certain way, but funny joke, you know, say, I see it. I'm ask her about it, you know, but you know me say I feel like same way. And I know say she, your daughter say with it. You understand? But you know how you go already. You run your thing, you just make sure you know say yo, don't make our friend them influence. I mean, me not try to fight it though, you know. Me not try to fight it, you understand?
I'm not too tired of saying that because some things to deal with. There's some things to edit up and bag of things, so I'm more time in it.
Alright, go and hungry work. Me I clear off a bill.
Alright.
Alright.
Come on.
What?
No. Where you do?
No, someday I go on here today, alright.
Yeah, but alright, but you're not for there.
Babes, I know some love you and thing them until I shoot, you know, just come feel like talk with you and thing, you know.
So how you even find me?
I mean, I'm really fine. I love you and things, I'm not much fine, you know. I expect. So make you want to talk, go over here.
That's so cool.
Anyway.
Mr. Laro?
So babes, so tell me now, you know I'm living and something, not true? Go for a gun and change the number or something, be. I can style them, I can tune them and promote, be. I can style it. What go on? What happened?
A while come see Ashley boyfriend.
Make me a mother and sometimes I feel like I take up some bread and lick you sometimes. Not too want lick you because you know I love you, you know.
It must come from some fiction function someplace, but the place where she used to live. And she never look like she did look afraid.
Jermaine, you know say it over. Why you do this? And I be a beat here, I can barely take leak.
No, be you know some love and I be a punch up 1 and 2 punch, you know. You know I think go. You see me? You know I think go already, man.
Yeah. Well, me up in lane, man, she walk on, you know.
Hey, let go from me dog. Come.
Let me
Me tell you, say don't talk to him, man. As a matter of fact, what you do, Pastor? Well, stay there from my dog. Me tell you, say don't talk. Hey, listen to me. How you reach up Pastor anyways? I tell you, say I don't want you to talk to my daughter. You know, say I don't like you. How you find me, Pastor? How you know, say up Pastor with it?
So easy no pops.
Pops. Come on. Me look like your pops to you. Come on, yeah. As a matter. Tara, come. You come too.
Who is that? It's Stephanie. I'm here to pick up your father. Oh.
Good night.
Good evening.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Can you tell me for my friend to welcome?
Thank you.
So, are you a bougie girlfriend?
We're getting there.
Oh, nice. You know him of other woman, right?
Interesting. No,
Yeah. The man a dog.
he's a dog. So why is he a dog?
I live next door and every day is a different girl. Yeah, probably the 5th girl this week. Oh, and one time, me in here, I'm overhear him conversation and him do use condom.
The 5th woman this week.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
He's such a decent young man.
So you might think.
Oh, okay. So whenever he leaves from wherever he's at, tell him that something came up, so I have to go. All right. Okay.
Bye.
Where's Steph?
She gone.
This one, was somebody who come out to me a while ago?
She gone.
Where she gone?
So something come.
You just in your phone and I talk to you. What one?
So now around there, so me I come from with you.
No, you come out your phone me. Look how long I'm going to take up time to close. You come in there about me and talk.
When me come around, I'm gonna see her.
What she say she do? What she say? What she say?
She said she still come back.
Alright, I'm just trying to wait till she comes back.
So, sorry, you know I'm not running back for eat.
We have bread. You eat bread?
Yeah. You know what make little tea for me too, I don't feel good.
Oh, now come there.
Where now?
You know, I'm like you.
What's the name cover there, sir? Problem.
So I can't see nothing up.
What's wrong with you? You're like a child.
What do you mean by?
Yeah, my daughter, like a friend. Plus, your father begged me to make a stay over here and go and do some things. So that wouldn't be manly of me to take advantage of you, and I don't want to force yourself upon me. That will never happen, you know what I mean? So I think you must try look in your age group, you know what I mean? But I think I need some counseling because this is not where your head space must be there now. You know what I mean? If you think about happiness, you must think about your education You know what I mean? And certain things, put certain things for your head. You put man pain and why did you blow your nose though? Can never tackle about that topic though. Why do you have that thing in your nose though?
Come see it and I like it, so I do it.
Or you just do what you feel like?
Yeah.
I think that's a problem with you nowadays, kids. You do everything what you feel like, you don't do what's right. But the right thing, I'm gonna do the right thing. You know what I mean? So I'll talk to you, but we must not catch in that compromising position never again. I never want that to happen again, alright? So have a nice night.
Normally kiss.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I must tell you. You see, if you come over here, don't like do nothing to out of the way or extra.
Well,
My father have camera on him. I don't know where them there. How?
I don't know.
Oh. Just so I can know. Man, what you do?
Alright.
You good?
Yeah. Thanks for the heads up.
Alright. Just I tell you. So you good?
Mm-hmm. Daddy, I couldn't wake me up from go get ready for the shoot.
Ashley, you never tell me about your shoot. So you late?
No, I'm already in time now.
Oh,
I'm
alright,
ready
so.
now, so I'm gonna go get ready and go.
Alright, so you're going by yourself?
No, I'm gonna go with Tara.
So you know, as me always tell you, just be careful. Have your head on your body, don't make nobody influence you. Or nothing like that. So, about what time the photo shoot is over?
And after 12.
Alright. Alright, be back here by half an hour after that.
Alright.
Alright.
Hello?
Tara, where your friend there?
Daddy, we are walking come up the hill now.
Tell her to hurry up and come in, okay? If you get certain time, I tell her, I have to go out there, go do some shooting. We take some pictures for some people that get married, so yo, if you don't come no more, go away.
Ah. Come.
Girl, you know I'm gonna forget that I had
What?
my pink blouse.
So girl, you couldn't bring it?
I never remember it up on the couch.
Just go on straight up.
Alright.
Alright.
Thanks.
So that's all right. Yo, we'll go up, so go up on the block. Yeah, so. What? Yeah. What's for Saturday?
So I'm back to something.
30? Alright, so we can take different people to one time. So we put a picture in our name for said way. So the old figure represents something out in the unnatural, in the natural. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so you can turn up side or something. Take two pictures in our name. Alright. Alright. Fix yourself. Yeah. Alright. Go back and finish to them. I'm not sure. It's a card.
So Buju, you know somebody that wants some topless one too.
Bring me better place.
Without the shirt.
No shirt you have on something like that?
No, just no shirt. Nothing underneath.
Well, I'm not doing type of picture there. You understand? The type of picture that you do it to yourself. But anyway, where Tara gone back for?
On my shirt then.
Well, next time we take that shirt there. Yeah? So more put them up on the computer and I can see them. Alright?
Alright.
I pray with General, I pray.
Bless up.
You know the girl of my father.
No really, no. How who are? Who are you?
I know say do one brown girl and call Akuna do. You know him.
Are your family?
You know say I'm a real family do my father. You see me? Mrs. Chinde, you know.
Yes,
Say
it's
no-
true.
Yeah, say
Your
no him.
girlfriend? Oh. Go down there from the boss.
Which part of the say I talk?
So when you pass, so you go down there, so you pass a black car. So after you pass a black car,
Yeah.
you go see one dog over yard,
Yeah.
a butcher dog. So if the dog go back,
Yeah.
don't go over there.
Alright,
If you back, you can go over there.
Alright.
Just go down there, so over there. So.
Yeah, I tell you something more, you know. You see me? You see, if you say nothing, I'm going to shoot you. You know what I do for me? I call you, brother. Tell me someone work up your fame, my electrician work up your fame. You see me? I'm wanting to come right now, I'm wanting to come. You see me? And you can't deal with the work. You see me? Because I'm on the live. People them go back fired a couple days time.
Lara, me have one work for you. More you come up on my yard come link me.
Where say you get one work for me?
More you come up on my yard come link me. And at 3 days you spend to string up here because people them want go back overseas soon.
Alright. Me I come right now. Make sure them have the money ready, you know, man. Me I come right out.
Yeah, come now. No.
Bojo, what going? Alara, man. Yeah, man, my daughter Ashley come up the other day, spend time with your daughter Tara. Yeah, man, it's a favor I call for ask, man. Yeah, me I go up on her work there and me I say I would just make Ashley stay up there with Tara because I live in can't more just depend him. So I say, since they like each other so much, just make she stay up there until me come back down. Yeah, man. But me will tell her still because I'm not talk to her, so me will call her and make sure You know everything. Yeah, man, I mean making yeah, you carry them. Alright, manners and respect, right here. Yeah, man, thanks.
Go over this and head shit. Right, don't move, that makes it. Don't move. Shut up.
I want to go on yourself.
Tell me, I feel like a joke thing this. It's no joke thing this. You hear me, I tell you? I fight against my relationship so long. I sitting and feel like a joke thing. It's no joke.
Listen me.
Here, that's why I'm bun on your house and kill you woman. Kill you one.
Are you but
Here, that me I tell you, I feel like a joke thing. It's no joke. Pops, no, kill a pops.
Hold on. We can't talk about this, man. Loose off her up them, chief. We can't talk about this.
Pops, I don't want to talk about this. I
I say, alright.
I don't want to talk about this, Pops. I swear. No,
No, man, not do this. You're young, you. No mash up your life.
So now fire against relationship for what happened? What? What can I ask in the strive? What am I doing so long? What am I doing?
So I want well.
here. Well, only crackers and
Yes, man. So up now. Alright. Alright. So your son, sir.
what you do here?
I mean what me I do here?
My father don't want you already.
Want me? After my love is a girl and something, watch I plan to send a guy foreign and something, go left me and something, so I bun on the house and something. So yeah, praying with some love and something, babes, a big thing and go on your family, I go on it, and I like them sitting here, no babe. You see me? So right now, me want to go somewhere right now, me and I live right now and someone come with me right now, so I know where I pray. You see me? That me I pray right now, no joke about that. What you say they do? You they come? I left everything in the country come down here. You go down the house. All of them things they are just stress and problem. I know some love and stuff, you know. All the way, you know, so do me I want boat. Because you see, I want to go to Cuba. You see me, I say my for 6:30 in the evening. You see me? I mean, I want the boat left it 2 hours, you know. I told him must up on the boat there. You understand? So by 6 o'clock this evening, we go shoot out and go over. Over
My
Canada.
father not go alone.
Anyway, I'm going to kill your father then. Can't live without this. I know what you tell me, say. You understand? Your parents are 5 against it. 2 away. And you are my future, you are married to. You know that already. You see me?
Yeah, man, and him see him one, the type man
Someone left me
one.
without a gun in my hand. Take off your hand, man.
I try back to me and then you try up now.
a youth working on my house and stick up my daughter and her friend. And now we have him tied up down here right now, Namprel Road, in our lane. Come now, man, you're not worried about. You tie up, you have a gun too, but we have a gun one side put on and the hand tied. You know what I mean? And look like he knock out and nothing dead. But look like he still have breaches, I guess he's not knock out. You don't have to fast now, because no shot now fire. Alright?
Your passion for possession and the way your ego shows up in each situation, the way you live your life is an abomination. My God, you're too materialistic, walking around head high, narcissistic, praising vanity and worshiping your vehicle, showing more love to them and not to people. That is insanity. All I see is humans, but no humanity. The hearts of man is getting more corrupted by the minute. And if you die, it is a possibility that your friend or family's hand is in it. The land you live on isn't yours forever. Over that same land, you would kill your brother. But the space you will be given on that piece of land when we die will be much, much smaller. Remember, he that exalted themselves will become abased. Cleanse your heart before applying makeup to your face. My sisters, makeup only hides the bumps and blisters. What's in your heart is more substantial. Even if your face is pretty, what good have you done if your heart is ugly? Dress your hearts and watch your thoughts. Pick up your brethren when he falls, for love conquers all. Wow. I'm Everly, and that's Everly Graham. If you're new to my channel, I'm asking you guys to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified of any new content. Alright? Alright.
Alright, big up on yourself. As always, thank you guys for watching. It's always a pleasure to create these great content for you guys. It is a lot of hard work that we're doing, and we're really trying to produce more content than usual. That is the reason why we're dropping this video now. If you realize, what, 3 days since we dropped the next video, which is what's the name of the video again that we just dropped? Yeah, wicked mother, evil sister. So we just dropped that, and then this is the new one that we just dropped. We're just trying to be creative and play with our imagination and just do different type of movies. Thank you guys for continuous support. We are almost at 70,000 subscribers, and it is a good feeling so far. We are just feeling that edge that it's coming on to 100,000. So remember, share up these videos, tell a friend to tell a friend, and thank you to everybody that continue to send in those small donations. We really appreciate it. It really helps in all different areas. Big up to everybody that make everything possible, from Fire to Candy to Popeye to all of the rest of cast members. You guys are the reason why we continue to do what we do. You don't know. And as I always say, if there's anybody out there that want to send anything specific for a specific actor, if anybody want to send a specific donation for a specific actress or actor, you can do so, because you don't know, everything really adds up. And if you have your favorite character and you want to support them, you can, because every donation helps in every possible way. Alright, big up on yourself. Continue to send in those donations, continue to show those support. And if anybody out there that has a camera and want to send it come. And if you have a phone and you want to send it come. And also, real quick, let me see what real quick that I should mention. We have JAMMIWOOD over there. Head over and subscribe if you have not subscribed to JAMMIWOOD, and remember to subscribe to Richard Brown Films And follow me on Instagram, Richard Brown Films. And remember, Ferris has his own channel too, which is Curious King. So remember to follow him on Instagram, and also he has a YouTube channel, Curious King. Subscribe to it. And one quick big thing at the end. Remember, we have the female that always read the news. She has a YouTube channel which is called Poems by Everly Graham. The link will be in the description, so you can also subscribe to her channel. Alright, big up on yourself, continue to show love and support. I'm out.